Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the bold slang term savage. Well, when something is savage, it's extremely bold, fierce, merciless, or impressively brutal in a cool, often humorous way. It's used to describe actions or remarks that are strikingly audacious or cutting. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. Her comeback in the group chat was savage. She roasted everyone with one line. He scored that goal with a savage kick. It was fierce and unstoppable. That comedian's joke about the boss was savage. It was bold and brutally funny. The word savage itself has been around for centuries, originally meaning wild, uncivilized, or untamed, often referring to people or animals. However, its modern slang usage, particularly to describe something impressively ruthless, bold, or incredibly blunt in a cool way, gained massive popularity in the early 21st century, especially with internet culture and memes. Use savage to describe an action, comment, or person that is strikingly bold, unapologetic, or merciless, often in a way that evokes admiration or amusement. It's perfect for casual conversations and social media when you want to highlight something incredibly direct, powerful, or cleverly harsh. While very common informally, avoid it in formal or professional settings. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.